Hello, I'm David and you're watching Cruise Show UK. Welcome aboard the brand new Queen Anne. In this video we are going to be showing you around our inside cabin. It's cabin 4093 on deck 4. Let's go and have a look. I'm taking this cruise with my sister Jane. Our first cruise together was on board the Golden Princess back in 2003. That cruise was to celebrate a successful kidney transplant. I donated one of my healthy kidneys to Jane as she was suffering renal failure, needing dialysis. 20 years later, the kidney is doing well, so it's time for another cruise celebration on board the brand new Queen Anne. So this is our cabin, and it is a standard inside cabin on deck 4. This is all the storage wardrobes. I'll come back to that in a minute, but I'm going to start in the main body of the room. And first of all, it's a cosy room. It doesn't feel overly small though. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'll start here in this vanity area, which is really nice. I love this detail on the back here, and it's a lovely illuminated mirror. Nice desk space, really cute little chair. There's a drawer underneath here with a hairdryer. Under here you've got the mini fridge. And then you've got some storage at the side as well. But I really like this area. You've got more storage space at the top there. And you've got tea and coffee facilities here, which is nice. And then I'll just point out the sockets. You've got a UK plug. There's a European outlet. And then on this side, there's an American outlet, USB-A and USB-C. And there's a light switch there for this mirror. Okay, so I really like that area. And then behind me we've got some artwork, some abstract artwork, which I like. And then the bed area, which is very nice. Here it's set up as a twin. I'm here with my sister Jane, so we've got it as a twin setup. But if you want it as a double, they will remove that section and then push them together, and then that one would go on that side, obviously. But the beds look super comfy. I can't wait to sleep in these. I really like these cushions. Fabrics are super soft and high thread count, and I love this gold trim. Just a tiny little detail, but it's really nice. I like it. I think they're going to be really good beds to sleep in. And I love this blue headboard and this blue surround that they've put here. It's not the usual beige that you get, so it just breaks up the room. I really like that. And I really like these lights as well, the brass coloured lights. They're quite a retro style to them. You've got a basic telephone here, light switches there. And there is 2 small drawers underneath. There's a little unit. And then at the back you've got sockets. There's a UK plug with a light switch, and an American plug, power plug, USB-A and USB-C, and yeah, there's light switches there. And the same on this side as well. If you've got the room set up in this twin configuration, behind the pillows you've got the other sockets, which is a slightly awkward placement, because if you're there asleep and you wanted to have something plugged in, you've got the table here, so I'm not quite sure how that's going to work out, but it won't matter if it's set up as a double, because you have the table on that side. One other thing I've noticed in here, the coving at the top there is really nice. It's just a tiny little detail, but it makes it feel a little bit classy. You can really tell that the carpet's still brand new. It's got a little bit of bounce in it still. It's very nice. Simple, but I really like it. The TV is a good sized TV, but I think it's probably a little bit too big for this room, and it's a very awkward placement, because when it's set up as a twin here, well, and even as a double, you haven't got a very good viewing angle of the TV. Now, I know you don't come on this ship to watch TV in your room, but some people do. People just like to relax, and if you want to watch TV, then you fill your boots. But it's a bit of an awkward placement for the TV, and it doesn't swivel out. I have heard that they are going to fit swivel brackets, but I don't know when that's going to happen. But it really needs to be. It could do with being a bit smaller and maybe positioned here at an angle, so then they wouldn't need that that bracket. Let's have a look at the wardrobe. First of all, you've got this narrow one on the end. If you've got long dresses, there's a bar in here where you hang your clothes. You can take that out, just put it at the bottom, and then you can use the full length, which is pretty good. Right, then onto this one. Again, there's a narrow section. There isn't a bar in this one, so maybe this one is ideal for long dresses. You've got 5 hangers in there, and then you've got lots of storage compartments along the side there. So pretty decent. Okay, onto this one. Lots of storage in this one, although the top is taken up with the life jackets, but I've got a tip for that in a moment. Nice big space there. You've got your mini safe, which is a decent size. You'd get a laptop in there easily. Goes back quite far, nice and wide, great. Tip for the life jackets. I'm going to take them out of here because there's a great big storage space there. You'll want to use that. Then I'm going to put them up here. Tidy. And then you've got that big storage space in the wardrobe to use. The last one, another big storage space. You've got a bar there for hanging, more hangers, and these are incredibly soft. They're thick and so fluffy. I'm going to see if they sell these on board. I'd like to buy one of these. Really nice. Got the nice Cunard logo. Beautiful. And have a look at the bathroom. Okay, so let's have a look at this bathroom. And it's a really nice bathroom. It's a decent size. It's really bright and very modern. I'm glad to see that they've got rid of the shower curtain. It's a really nice shower head. I'm pleasantly surprised by this. It's really, really nice. I love the vanity area. The mirror is great. It's really bright. I like the sink. The tap is nice. And there's a good deal of storage space. There's storage underneath as well, and a bin. It's a good size shower. Well, better than I expected actually. You've got some storage baskets and some really nice Penhaligon's products. Very nice. You've got shampoo, bath and shower gel, and then there's conditioner there as well. All in all, I'm pleasantly surprised with this cabin. We booked an inside guarantee fare, and just quickly, if you don't know what a guarantee is, you get a lower fare, but you don't get to choose where your cabin is on the ship. They can put you anywhere. So it is a bit of a risk, because right below us is the Queen's room. And what are your thoughts on the noise from below?
Well, as you know, down below us, really literally below us, is the Queen's room. We've worked it out that the drums are probably over in that corner. So it is a bit tricky trying to get to sleep at night. But I'm not going to let it spoil this holiday. We've been playing Name That Tune. Ever so funny.
Yeah, I agree. It is on a serious note, it is really bad, but we've tried to laugh it off, haven't we?
Yes. Have a few sherries.
Exactly, or brandy in my case. It really does help. You can have it both ways. We've got a great fare. It's a very nice cabin.
The bed is probably the best bed I've ever slept in. So luxury, I tell you. The beautiful bedding on here, really nice. I was expecting it to be smaller than what it is. You've got a lot of space here. Really, really happy with the cabin. Lovely, really nice.
There we go. I hope you enjoyed that little look of the inside cabin on board the brand new Queen Anne. Please give this video a like and subscribe. And until next time, cheers, and I'll see you up on deck.